Controller drift can be frustrating, especially when playing games like EAFC 25. Here is a straightforward guide to help you fix this issue. Step 1. Identify the problem. Check if the controller is indeed experiencing drift. Move the analog stick in a neutral position and observe if the character or camera moves without any input. Step 2. Clean the controller. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris around the analog sticks. You can also use a cotton swab lightly dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean around the base of the sticks. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. Access the game settings and look for controller settings. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks to see if increasing the dead zone helps reduce drift. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Connect your controller to your console or PC and check for any firmware updates. Manufacturers often release updates that can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Consider replacement. If the drift persists after cleaning and adjustments, it may be time to consider replacing the analog stick module or the entire controller, especially if it is out of warranty. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift effectively. If problems continue, professional repair services may be necessary.